This was me in 2017. And this is me in 2025. 8 years older, but my eyes are more lifted, my under eyes smoother, and the hooding over my lids is completely gone. No surgery, no injections, just one skincare device I've been using consistently. Most people think hooded eyes only get worse with age, but I found a way to reverse the look naturally, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how I did it. And yes, I'll show you how you can use it too. If you're new here, I'm GloryB and this is GloryB-TV. I'm 65 and my channel is all about helping women over 50 look fabulous, feel amazing, and age gracefully, as naturally as possible. Over the years, I've tested many skincare devices and products, and I tell you when they actually deliver real, visible results. Today, I'm reviewing the ZIIP Halo, the device I believe has played a big role in lifting my eyes at the brow area. I'll break down what it does, the science behind it, how I use it, and whether I think it's worth your investment. One interesting thing about this device is that as I researched who has already used it or reviewed the Halo on YouTube, nearly all of the people I found using the ZIIP Halo device are all younger than I am. So there's something to say for the over 65 YouTuber getting good results from the Halo. The founder of ZIIP Beauty, Melanie Simon, is an electrical esthetician who has worked in the field for over 20 years in Southern California. She developed this device for at-home use, which means we can get an electrical esthetician's product and use it on our own without spending money at the day spa. Before we dive into the details of the ZIIP Halo, let's talk a little bit about microcurrent in general, what it does, why it's so popular, who it's not for, and how it can help your skin look younger. Microcurrent has been used in professional facials for years, but now it's available in convenient at-home devices. It works by delivering a low-level electrical current that mimics your body's own natural ionic flow. Here's why that matters. Microcurrent has been proven to stimulate the production of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is basically the energy currency for your cells. Unfortunately, as we age, ATP levels naturally decline. By boosting ATP production, we're helping our body's restorative processes, encouraging collagen and elastin production, and supporting overall skin health. Microcurrent can also gently stimulate facial muscles to help lift and tone, improve circulation and lymphatic drainage to oxygenate the skin and reduce puffiness, and enhance product penetration so your serums and creams work better for you. All of these are fantastic benefits for the health and appearance of your skin. That said, there are situations where microcurrent isn't recommended, such as during pregnancy, if you have epilepsy, or if you have a pacemaker. Please do your own research and talk with your doctor before starting. So far, I've talked about microcurrent. The microcurrent is going to work on your muscles, so it's going to lift and sculpt your facial muscles. The ZIIP Halo also offers something unique, which is nanocurrent. Now, nanocurrent is a much smaller current that's going to work on your skin cells, sending messages to your skin cells to produce elastin and collagen, stimulating regeneration and repair at a deeper level. By combining nanocurrent and microcurrent in one device, the ZIIP Halo provides a broader range of benefits than microcurrent alone, and most other devices out there only have microcurrent. Now, before I got my ZIIP device, the company had an original device, which was more expensive. The new Halo is more compact, lighter in weight, and simpler to use, all thanks to 7 years of feedback from real customers. Now, I typically don't like devices that run with an app, but this one I really like because Melanie Simon recorded easy to follow videos for each treatment type with relaxing background music. The app sends a signal to the ZIIP device to run that particular treatment. When you first purchase the ZIIP, there's a QR code on the packaging that you can use to download the app, or you can do what I did. You can go into your app store, search for ZIIP Beauty, and download their free app. The app currently contains 13 treatment options and 1 lesson to learn your halo. When I'm ready to use the halo, I like to open the app first, tap my treatment choice, and then I turn on the ZIIP Halo device. The device lights up on the edges and beeps. On my phone, I'll see a message telling me the app and the device has successfully synced. The ZIIP Halo device needs to work with a conductive gel that you apply to your face before you start the treatments. Now, the gel allows the electrical current from the device to effectively pass through the skin. Your ZIIP Halo comes with a bottle of their electric complex conductive gel. There are also other bundles which come with extra bottles of gel and different types of gel, such as their silver gel, which is more hydrating with hyaluronic acid. In fact, the other gels all contain active ingredients. Now, the thing I like about their electric complex gel is that it contains some glycerin, which makes their gel stay on my face for longer than other gels I've used with other devices, which means I don't have to reapply ZIIP's gel during my treatment. It's also mainly liquidy and it's not sticky. Hopefully you can see it acts like a liquid on my hand. There is the option to use the ZIIP Halo without the app. You just turn it on without the app and it will give you a 4-minute treatment that's freestyle, where you can focus on the areas of your face you want to treat. So you turn on the device like I just did by pressing the white button. You'll see the edges of the edges light up. I don't know if you can see that in my bright studio lights, but they do. And you'll hear a beep. And then the treatment starts when you touch both silver globes to your face. I'll do a quick demo starting with the ZIIP Conductive Gel. I put the gel all over my face and neck. I'll press the white button to turn it on, and I'm using the one treatment option that you can use without the app on your phone. The ZIIP Halo starts working when you touch both silver globes to your skin. I'm starting on one side of my face at the neck and working my way up. You'll hear a quieter beep when it's time to move the halo. When it's time to switch sides, you'll hear one louder beep. Then with this non-app treatment, you'll do 2 more minutes on the other side. As Melanie says in a few of the videos in the app, you won't always feel an electric tingling sensation. Sometimes you feel it and sometimes you don't. The halo does make a quiet beep sound when it's time to repeat a stroke or start a new stroke, and Melanie's videos also help guide you through that. Most of the treatments focus the first half of the time on one side of your face and the second half of the time on the other side of your face. To let you know it's time to switch sides, the halo beeps once with a louder beep. At the end of the treatment, it also beeps once loudly and the device shuts itself off automatically. Let's look at the various treatment options available in the ZIIP app. The lift treatment option uses microcurrent and nanocurrent. Like I said earlier, the microcurrent is going to work on your muscles, so it's going to lift and sculpt your facial muscles, while the nanocurrent is going to send messages to your skin cells to produce elastin and collagen. The lift treatment is only 4 minutes long. The other treatment, which uses both microcurrent and nanocurrent, is the all-inclusive, which is a 12-minute treatment. Now, as an option, if I don't want to do 12 minutes, I could do the lift for the full 4 minutes on one side of my face and then start the lift again on the other side of my face for another 4 minutes, for a total of 8 minutes. Or if I just want to do the microcurrent, I'll do the instant gratification treatment, which is 6 minutes long. The founder's favorite is only nanocurrent. This is going to work on your skin cells only to get that elastin and collagen production going. It's a 10-minute treatment. 2 of the targeted treatments that I like include one called lips. This is 2 minutes of microcurrent treatment just for the lip area. The gels treatment is medium to powerful microcurrent specifically for the jowl area in 3 minutes. I asked the ZIIP team to give me a summary of each treatment option on their app. Here's a copy of what they sent me to highlight all of the treatment options and which type of current you get with each. Other targeted treatments are the Problem Solver, which is for acne-prone skin and pores. The Electric Tone is for melasma and uneven skin tone. Contour is a 2-minute treatment where Melanie shows us how she contours her cheekbones and jowl areas. The Depuff treatment is for puffy under eyes. The Eyes treatment is a low microcurrent setting to do the eye area only. The Plump treatment is a 2-minute treatment to plump your whole face. And the Brow Lift is a treatment for the brow area. In the app, it opens by default to the treatments. There's also a tab called Plans. Several plans are available to take you through a prescribed plan, such as the 7-day facelift plan, the wedding prep plan, the 14-day glass skin plan, and the 30-day best skin of your life in 30 plan. You can tap on the details to see the day-to-day plan for which treatments you'll do on each day, and sometimes there are rest days. This is a fun way to get into it to start seeing results. ZIIP has a 2-year warranty on their device if it becomes defective in that 2-year window. So that's a good long warranty. Most other devices have a 1-year warranty. Now in reviews, people say the ZIIP Beauty Company has excellent customer service. So here I am at 65, and honestly, I think my skin looks better now than it did 8 years ago. My eyes are more open, the skin under them is smoother, and I feel more confident every time I look in the mirror. If you want to see real changes like mine, grab your ZIIP Halo today. Use my coupon code GloryZIIP for a special discount. The link is in the description box below the video, and it's also in the first comment. I can't wait to hear how the ZIIP Halo works for you. Let me know in the comments about the results you're getting from microcurrent and nanocurrent. And I'll see you in the next video.